The world of security, which we also refer to as cybersecurity throughout this program, is vast. So making sure that you have the knowledge, skills, and tools to successfully navigate this world is why we're here. In the following videos, you'll learn about the focus of CISSP's 8 security domains. Then, we'll discuss threats, risks, and vulnerabilities in more detail. We'll also introduce you to the 3 layers of the web and share some examples to help you understand the different types of attacks that we'll discuss throughout the program. Finally, we'll examine how to manage risks by using the National Institute of Standards and Technology's Risk Management Framework, known as the NIST RMF. Because these topics and related technical skills are considered core knowledge in the security field, continuing to build your understanding of them will help you mitigate and manage the risks and threats that organizations face on a daily basis. In the next video, we'll further discuss the focus of the 8 security domains introduced in the first course.